Today we're making an incredibly easy low-carb chocolate dessert. No baking, just a few ingredients, and it turns out amazing every time. In a large microwavable bowl, put 1¼ cup sugar-free chocolate chips, ½ cup almond butter, or you can use peanut butter if you would prefer, ¼ cup unsalted butter, then melt it all together in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds. Then you will add 4 to 5 cups of keto mini marshmallows or the large ones that have been cut like I did. And mix it all together very well. Then spread it evenly on a parchment-lined pan. Then refrigerate it for 2 hours. Then slice these into serving-size pieces. These cut beautifully and the texture is perfect. Rich chocolate with little pops of marshmallows. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.